So the question here asks us what must be added to the polynomial 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 8x so that it leaves a remainder of 10 when divided by 2x plus 1. We'll be using the remainder theorem to solve this question. Question asked in the ICSE 2020 examination, as you guys can see. So the question is what must be added to the polynomial. So we can start by saying let the number to be added, which is an unknown, so we'll have to assume that to be another variable, be k, right? So now let's make a note of our given polynomial f of x, which is basically 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 8x. And now remember, we've added an extra k to it because after adding k and then dividing it by 2x plus 1, I get a remainder of 10. So if I'm using the remainder theorem, we'll start by saying let our divisor, which is 2x plus 1, equal to 0. And if I am to solve this particular equation to get the value of x, I can say x is equal to minus 1 upon 2, right? So 1 on the other side becomes minus 1, 2 multiplication becomes division, so I get the value of x as minus 1 upon 2, right? Now, according to my remainder theorem, the remainder, right, for f of x being divided by 2x plus 1 will be equal to f of, well, instead of x now, it should be minus half because we just found the value of x. That's the remainder theorem. So we know the value of the remainder, which is 10, should be equal to, now f of minus half is basically 2 into minus half raised to 3 minus 3 into minus half raised to 2 minus 8 into minus half, sorry, and finally we have a plus k. So here we have our equation with the only unknown value as k. On solving that equation, I should be able to find the value of k. So let's do just that. So right, so therefore 10, let's not, is equal to minus half raised to 3 is minus 1 by 8. That into 2 will make it minus 1 by 4 if I'm taking the entire thing, right? So it'll be minus 1 by 4. Minus half raised to 2 is 1 by 4, and into 3 will make it minus 3 by 4. Minus into minus makes it plus, and 8 upon 2 is 4. And I'm left with a plus k at the end. Plus k, right? So I reckon we need to take the LCM here because we have 4 in the denominator. So on doing that, I get, therefore 10 is equal to minus 1 minus 3 plus 16 plus 4k, and the entire thing divided by 4. Right, just took the LCM here. 4 upon 1 is into 4 and into 4 here as well. Take the 4 from the left to the right. So 40 is equal to minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 plus 16 is 12. So 12 plus 4k. Okay, now final few steps. Take the plus 12 to the other side. So therefore I can say 40 minus 12, which is 28, is equal to 4k. And my final step, so if 28 is equal to 4k, the final answer is already over here. Therefore I can say k is equal to 7, right? 28 upon 4. Okay, so that basically means 7 must be added. So let's write our final answer as a statement. the number to be added is 7, and our final answer in a rectangle as usual. Wow, that doesn't look good. How about this? Better.